Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to use the Swayam portal. So first go to this site swayam.gov.in and here is sign in register. So if you are a first user then you just have to sign it. If you are new user then you just sign it here because I have already signed in, so my login ID is up here. Otherwise, you go to sign up now and fill the details: username, password, confirm password, email address, and then the verification code will come on your email address, and then create. Because I have already created, so I just cancel this. So after sign in, you will be getting your username or email address over there. See, I have created my account, so this username will be email address. So this will display here. When you click on this, you go to my profile and update your profile. Your name, mobile number, email address, and all other details you just update it. Now you go to my courses. After update your profile, you go to my courses and select the courses. This is course catalog. All you can select any one: annual refresher, education, any of your subject you can select. So these many courses. So I just select education, teacher education. See here again the filters is there. You can check any of the courses conducted by UGC, NPTEL, NCERT, etc. Or you can put all. You can check it here. See here, 1 to 3 learning and teaching. This is 16-week course starts from 1st July 2020, conducted by IGNOU. The same way academic and research report writing. This is the coordinator of Dr. Samir Roy and conducted by NITTR. Uh, this will be starting from 20th July 2020. The exam date will be 15 November 2020 and enrollment ends 31st July 2020. That means starting from 20th July to 31st July, you can enroll anytime, and this will be for 8 weeks. So you can select any of the course. Suppose I just click it here with this course. If I wanted to join this, so this course detail will come. There is a short video, introductory video will appear. You can just listen this, and how many students have enrolled so far, that will also come here. So 1642 already enrolled joined. So here is a summary: 8 weeks, start date, end date, exam date, enrollment date. You just check out everything as per your requirement. And this is the course layout. If it is suitable to your course, then you can join. Otherwise, leave it and search it another course, right? So this is how you can search. I will show you one more course here. See, you can select with the course exam date also, course duration also. If you want to join 4 weeks course, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, 15 weeks, that way all the categories. So let's take one more example: education technology. This exams, this coordinator was Dr. Nazia Hassan, and this is starting from 15th June 2020 onwards, and enrollment ends on 31st July 2020. Exam date is not giving. Yeah, okay. And this is 4-week exam, ICT skills in education. So if you can click it here, You can check the detail of that exams. These are the this 690 have enrolled, and this is the course layout. Now you go to whatever course you just enroll it here, join it here, that will display under my courses. So here, this is my profile. So whatever courses I have joined will display here. So whatever courses you can select, that comes here. So at present I am doing these courses. So I just show you this academic writing. In your go to number of courses page, and this is course outline week one. So weekly they will come out with the literature, assignment, quiz, everything. So you have to do as per the instruction of the coordinator. Here is the announcement. Time to time they will announce. If there is webinar is there, then they will announce here. So you can meantime check the announcement between. About the course, everything about the course is also here. And then you can start taking the course. When that date will start now, this course content will automatically come weekly, because I have already completed this course. So now you can check the progress of my course. These are the assessment quiz, weekly assessment and quiz, which I have completed everything. Only thing I have to give the exam. So this is how your this scorecard will come. Now this, if you check the weekly, there is a quiz. So once you finish watching this video, then automatically this becomes blue. So it will show that you have watched. If you will not see the video complete, then this blue mark will not appear. Okay. There is a summary video, self-assessment question answer is also there. So this is how you can check here. You can ask a question also to the mentor. This is a discussion forum. If 2000 students have enrolled, you can exchange your idea, your queries among all these students. And you can, this is the discussion forum for academic writing. You can share it publicly, or you can ask to the coordinator or mentor. They will reply after some time. So this is how you just have to take this exams. So after completing these exams, then this exams, it will appear here that you have completed the course. Okay. See here, all the courses detail will come. So this is how you can give the exams of SWAYAM. And thank you. Thank you.